Hey everyone. Look who's made himself so comfortable. I don't even have my head on my own pillow anymore. I have to use my travel pillow because Piggy, am I in your way? Am I taking too much space up?
Piggy says these pillows are fantastic.
They are fantastic. I have memories of sleeping on this very pillow. Piggy is so comfortable, you guys. He's like, this is the life.
He's left some slumber.
Yeah, he's left some gloopies. I already saw that. I'm just gonna flip my pillow over, I think. We'll change the linens tomorrow. So we've had like a really busy Saturday, and it's probably gonna be a busy Sunday too. So Piggy's helping me relax. You can probably see from my face that I'm really tired. So yeah, if he could stop pushing into my body, because he's, you know, going like this into me and like scooching me over. I'm sorry, I apologize. Oh, you want my travel pillow too, do you? Shall I just go and sleep on the couch, Piggy? So that you have maximum comfort. Oh, he's so cheeky, you guys. Can you believe this little thing? He's completely forgotten the days where he wasn't allowed on the bed. Although, I will tell you, he was really good because he came in and he sat on the floor next to the bed. And just pretend this is the bed. Piggy looked at me and he was like... And he waited until I said, okay, you can get on the bed. And then... quicker than you could say, get on the bed. He was on the bed, and as you see him, very comfortable, like he's been sleeping here forever. Oh, what a cheeky little sausage. Have you got enough blanket, my boy? Alright, say goodnight to your friends so we can go to sleep. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. We send lots of love, and Piggy snores. Bye, everyone! So we've been lying here for a little while. The light is kind of in my eyes, but every time I move back, Piggy comes flying backwards. So I'm gonna test it and see if he shows you guys.
Oh no, he's comfy now.
Oh, he's comfy finally. Oh, look how his little mouth's going.
Poo. Poo.
I'm so glad you're so comfortable, Piggy.
Piggy.
I mean, my goodness, you have enough space, don't you?
This is the towel that he was supposed to be on. Only like quarter
His feet are on the towel. He is so happy right now. He doesn't know what to do with himself. You guys, how am I gonna sleep with this little train next to me?
He's a little...
You're like a little locomotive. Huh? Piggy Puff.
Oh, he stopped. Started again.
Get a close-up of his little mouth. Piggy, you're killing me. You're killing me, my baby. You're so funny. Mama's trying to sleep, you funny little boy.
Oh.
Oh, please, kick me again, Piggy. Let me try and regain some ground in my own bed. Hey? Bye, everyone. Thanks for watching. We're really gonna try and sleep now. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment below. If you're new around here, please hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.